Hey guys, welcome on my channel Iveno. Today we're gonna do a free YouTube tutorial with a pocket sketchbook. It's very simple and I show you how to do it step by step. You need some scrap paper, 3 or 4 sheets are enough. For the beginning, you can do more later, and a pen and a thread and a scissor. So here's how you do it. Fold the paper in half, long sides together, just like that. Fold it like this. Open it up and fold it again, just like this. Now you open it up, put it out like this again, and now you cut the short side here all the way through. There you go. Now you just put them all together. And if you have a carpet, you just go down, take your pen, go a few fingers inside, and make sure they all stick together here. Let's see. You hear that click, and a few fingers in here, and it clicks. This is a dummy sketchbook, by the way. I didn't see that paper on there. Make sure you don't have any prints on the side. And then you can see the holes here. You can make them a little bigger if you need to. So now you can go through there. 1 and 2. So let's see if I can call my assistant finger. Let's call that finger Colleen today. Thank you, Colleen. Okay, and you close it. Done. That was 2 minutes, 3 minutes, I think. I'm not sure. Very quick. So, and now you just fold it in the other side. That you have to not, but that's just preference. And then you have a sketchbook. Ta-da! Do you like it? Do you like it? Yeah, and then you can grab it and put it in your pocket and anything. I've done some different sizes. Smaller ones, it's almost half of that. That was a little bit of longer kind of paper, right? You can play around with sizes, make a very, very small one. Or you can also just do half a letter size only. Then it's half as big as this one. Would be bigger if you want to draw a little bit bigger, right? And you can also do sketchbooks by yourself with scrap paper. And if you live in Vancouver and you see this, go to Grandma Print. He's a good friend of mine. His name's Sean. You can ask him to buy and use scrap paper together. And it doesn't matter if they're printed on one side, because you only use one side for drawing, and they're that big. And all you ask him is to punch the holes through and get one of those coils. And it's going to be very inexpensive. I put a link in the YouTube description. Say hi from Ivan when you go there, okay? He's a really nice guy. And yeah, that's a huge sketchbook. Very inexpensive. You can do that wherever. I've done this even in Europe and in Peru, South America, basically. And it's fun. And yeah, I like to upcycle and all that. All right, so if you have all this, there's a little surprise here. If you have some wiggly eyes, you can just put some wiggly eyes on there. And put a smile on there, of course. You got a wiggly eyes pocket sketchbook now. Isn't that cool? Right? Awesome. Really like it. Yeah, you can give that to a friend. It's very nice if you give things to friends. I got this scarf from a good friend, and I really appreciate that. It's much better than emails and photos and texts and all those things. To give out handcrafted things, they have a lot of meaning for folks. Well, thank you so much for listening. Did you like the music? You can get this on Bandcamp. I use this kind of music to make people relax, including myself. And yeah, it's very inexpensive as well. And Cooper, what do you think? Are we done today? Maybe you get a treat, huh? Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Auf Wiedersehen. Bye bye.